Tutorial video. Robot 3X arm replacement. This video is part of the KEOLABS tutorial series. We will show you how to replace the arm of the 3-axis robot. As a first step, the arm has to be moved to a suitable position as shown in the video. Then switch off the robot to prevent injuries. Now, let's see the complete process for disassembling and reassembling the arm. Disassembling. Disassembling is performed in 3 steps. Step 1. Remove the 2 connectors used to drive the robot. Step 2. Release the strand of cables. Step 3. Remove the arm of the robot. There are 4 screws to remove. Interchanging parts. We will now remove parts of the existing arm to put them on the new arm. This is performed in 9 steps. Step 1. Position the support for strand of cables. Step 2. Remove the pulley. Step 3. Remove the guide carriage. Step 4. Interchange the motor. Step 5. Put in place the guide carriage. Be careful not to tighten the screws too much. Step 6. Put in place the pulley. Step 7. Test the arm mechanism. Step 8. Use the adjusting screw to tension or to loosen the belt. Step 9. Block the pulley screw. Reassembling. Reassembling is performed as follows. Step 1. Tighten the 4 fixing screws recovered during the disassembling phase. Step 2. Put in place the strand of cables. Step 3. Put in place the 2 connectors. The new arm is now installed. We hope you enjoyed this video, and do not hesitate to contact us to have more information. We'll be happy to assist you.